Want to transform Zenless Zone Zero with new skins, effects, and gameplay tweaks? Here's the safest step-by-step way to install mods in 2025 without breaking your game. Step 1. First, get your mods from trusted sites like Nexus Mods or Game Banana. Avoid random links. Unverified files can corrupt your game or hide malware. Step 2. Locate your Zenless Zone Zero game folder. For most PC users, it's under what you see on the screen. Right now, you can pause if you need to. Another option is to check your launcher's install path. Step 3. Download the mod and extract it. You should see pack or ucast files. These are what the game reads. If this is working or not, let me know in the comments. I've got a list of the best working mods for Zenless Zone Zero coming next. Step 4. Place those files into the packs folder. If the mod requires a custom loader like Zenless Zone Zero Mod Manager, install that first and follow its README. Step 5. Launch the game and test. If a mod isn't working after the August 2025 update, it might need an updated version from the creator. Pro tip: always back up your original packs folder before adding mods. That way you can instantly restore the game if something goes wrong. Now you're set to fully customize Zenless Zone Zero. Drop a comment with your favorite mods, and I'll feature them in my next guide.